instead of gifting you, you're going to gift us with your talent and some know-how as to how we can go paint. So go paint is for everybody. It doesn't have to be like June's caliber. It could be just a starting kind of interest that you have inside of you, a burning desire to create something beautiful. So let us see the process of June right now. I'll be staying right here with you, June, just in case, to annotate a little bit, probably on this side so that everybody can see. All right.
Hello, it's working, right? Okay. Okay. So here's the interface of the GoPaint app. So I like to start and then finish on. Bear with me, I don't really speak when I draw, but I'll try to describe what's happening here so it won't look weird. So I usually start with the canvas. Since GoPaint app has this what we call this pattern, which is like it almost looks traditional color. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm going to try another pattern. Is it? Can you see? Oh, it's not visible.
Not that much. Yeah, there are different options.
Well, not that pretty.
There you go.
Yeah, so it looks super real. It looks like a canvas. It's like paint as well, so I know how it looks like. So there, I like to start with that, and then today I want to draw a simple flower. So I lang madaling sundan just in case later on na try to problem. So normally I would draw a circle, and this is just a sketch, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'll draw a circle. It should look like an egg. So weird. Yeah. Okay, so I normally start the flower with this shape, and then I draw a line. This line will serve as a guideline for the petals. So the more lines, the more petals. Let's make it bigger. Okay. So after this, I like to create the petals now. It would look like this. I'm not sure if it looks like a flower.
Are we drawing a certain flower here, June? Can we give it a name?
Okay. This one is Daisy inspired because Daisies they have more petals.
Yes.
Pero since we're running out of time, it's a simple version of Daisy.
Alright.
So there.
Okay. Now we get a hat. That's it. This is how we can make our flower. Look better. This is how you start.
Yeah. So you start with an egg.
An egg.
Yes, an egg shape.
It's not just a chicken, it's not chicken.
Okay. So this is how it looks like. And then I would like to create another layer. Reduce the opacity. The second layer will be the more refined version of the artwork. So for this, I choose color orange. But if you don't have any color in mind, you can explore the built-in color palette of the GoPaint app. So this stage is like you're inking the element or the artwork.
So June, whenever you paint or draw something,
Sorry.
do you also draw inspiration from music? Do you have something playing in the background or something?
Yes.
So for this kind of painting, what song do you have in mind? Me.
I'm probably okay.
utilizing the GoPay app, right?
Yeah. So normally I would color it like the old ways. Pero
But you have masterclass to finish.
yeah.
So make it easier. So these are the advantages of having your GoPay.
Like in Canada. So you want to close everything. Okay. Guys. Ano ba sila?
What are you using? Just kidding. There you go. So make sure to close all the ends.
Yes.
So it's
So there.
easier to show them.
Okay, so smaller lock the center. And it should look like something like that. So much of flower. And then this will serve as like underpainting. We call it in painting terms like as underpainting. Meaning it's just the base color. So you still need to color the highlights and the shadow, which will take time. Pero I'll try to create a sample. So normally we'll do the shadow and then the highlight.
So what is nice is that you can fiddle with it and look for the things that you need in other paintings. And then you can always revert, go back just in case you create a mistake here and there,
Yes.
and move forward with better painting.
So yeah. So we did with all the petals and it should look something like yes. Yeah. So this one it came from the egg shape earlier. It's the same process. So this process, yeah. And then yeah. That's how I normally draw flower. Pero since we have this pictures GoPay app, recently, they have this guidelines. This is another way of illustrating a flower. You click on this, the guidelines, and select the regional part. So this one is gonna be easier to draw.
Right.
So region, the guideline is like a mirror-like picture of the artwork. So when you draw on one part, it will mirror on the other.
Oh wow.
Can you see it?
That's very fast.
Yeah.
Like
So-
a kaleidoscope.
It's easier to draw.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Alright.
So it doesn't get- So it's one way to create a flower. And it's easier, especially if you don't have any background in illustration. So, isang part lang, like, maliit lang siya kaya. And then, whatever you do sa isang part, it will be nearer the other part. So if you color in the center, then you mirror the other one. So parang it sounds not longer than the flower. You don't have to do the egg shape thing. Yeah.
Just need a quarter of your time.
Yes, super fast. I should have done this earlier.
Yeah, of course, just to show everybody how it's done in an easier way, and of course with the help of GoPay to make it quicker.
So all the details will be copied. copy. If you want several copies, just copy it, precise, and have a pattern, a mini pattern. You can also change the color if you want. Here, if you want it a little bit more reddish. The other one. Maybe more orange or yellow. Yeah. So now that's about it. I hope later that I will. So I'm going to quickly discuss some common mistakes that people do starting out the drawing. So I guess one main problem is people they're afraid to start. As in illustrating, let's say it's intimidating for others. I think for that, just push yourself to start drawing, whatever it is. Start with the basic shape first, like the ones earlier, your egg shape, and then when you don't want to do that, you can do this mirror thing, the racial guidelines. And then probably last, it's more on the professional side, but it's very helpful for hobbies also is using the layers. I'll just want to quickly show now the layers that I did design. What artwork is intended there? So whenever I do an illustration, that is zooming, I have several layers talaga. With layers, it's your friend. It's easier to revise an artwork. It's easier to adjust an artwork if you have layers. So literally layers, you put one element here, another element here, and then if you want to change it later on, you can do so by just moving the layers. And then tips, I guess, for everyone who wants to start illustrating is just siguro keep a sketchbook with you or a notepad with you, or you can have a mistake going, or you can put anything you want. And also share your artwork online or offline with your friends. It's very helpful to join the community. Because joining the community, they will help you improve your skills. They will help you with your work. They will give feedback, and it will keep you motivated. I think that's about it. I hope you learned something from this short session and start to grow, explore. Stay curious, most importantly, enjoy the process of growing. It has been an absolute pleasure.